Hello, able to hear me? I lost the power and I reconnected again now. I started the recording also. Okay, you're able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Aruna is on offline. Okay, 1 second. I'll ask her. Now we change the schema, and even this schema I want to change. Okay, so this is not in the order, right? I want to make it order. So first we need the record identifier. So where this not activated? Because I have to do it in dictionary. Okay, so they came in the order now. Now I'll delete the document and recreate again. If you see, okay, to identify name ID, so my input will be easy for me. Okay, first employee record info I told you, it should be same name as your record. EMP V Venkat, then ID will be 1234, age 28, salary 5,000. Again, address if you see it became as a document because it's a complex. Okay, street is Kolala, it is Bangalore. Again, the same as EMP. Name is text. ID is 1335. Is 25. Salary is 5,000. Okay, so this document I gave, and it will convert into a flat file. You'll see the flat file string came as emp venkat 123, age is 25, in this one. So this is what we expected. So what we are missing earlier is like putting this string into a file. Okay, so we'll see that later. I will show you that. Now we know how to convert a document to a flat file string, correct? Okay, copy. So now in the reverse way, we will see how to convert this flat file string into a document again. So now we have the flat file string. Let's say this one you are receiving from some other customer, and you want to convert this flat file string to a document. So this will be two roles which will be played. Either you will be receiving the string and you are converting to document and inserting database, or from database you are taking the data and populating a string. For this, which service you want to use? Convert to values, because we are converting from string to value. Okay, so your ff data will be input, output, input you have to declare. So ff string, you can give any name, and the output will be in the form of mp document. This is a mandatory. Okay. Let us specify which schema you want to use. Again, the same schema. Okay. Delimiters not required. It will data ff values. We will be mapping to mp data. I'm running the service. Then is run flow service. Your ff string will be this. So you have to maximize when you are giving more than one line. Okay, so it completed, and we'll see the result came as expected or not. See, the record identifier came as emp, name is Venkat, and then name, and then street. So everything is perfectly fine. So these are the two steps. So from the flat file you have to remember, so what is the purpose of dictionary, what is a dictionary, why we use it, and what is a flat file, can we create a flat file without a dictionary. So what are the types of flat files? That's like a fixed length, variable length, and delimited EDI. And how do we create a schema? Okay, so we explain how do you create a schema by using the delimited. Okay, once you've done that, so you have to, after completing the creating a schema, you have to create a document, and whenever there is a change in the document, you have to recreate the document by deleting the existing document. And then so there are two services in the flat file: convert to values and convert to string. Convert to values you will use when you are taking the flat file and converting into integration server document. And convert to values, that one. Convert to string, so existing integration server document you have to convert as a flat file string. Okay, so those two services are important in the flat file and dictionary concepts. Okay, so I want to give a small exercise to you guys. So the first one, you have to, do you have any existing student table, or create a DB generate plot file string from the table. Okay, this is the first, and second one will be from plot file insert data into TB student table. Okay, this is a general task. Create, or like you can use the existing any table also. Generate a plot file string so I will give you overview like how you have to start and how to do that. Okay, so if you come here, the first step will be you are generating a plot file. So and your source will be table data. First step. Okay, connect to DB. Select data from table. Once you select the data and map it to schema document. Okay, and if you come here, okay, so whatever the string you receive here, this will be your input. So you will convert string to document by using convert to values. So loop over the document and insert into DB. Is it clear? I'll mail you this. Okay, this is the exercise which you have to follow. I will check and let you know like the problem of inserting data into a file. Okay, as of now, just create a string, it'll be fine. We'll see how to access the file in the next session. Any doubts? Hello, are we good to close the session? Pencil ready? మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఉందండి ఆఫీసు? ఓకే, 1 sec.
9 to 6:30.
ఓకే, ఎంతకి?
9 to 6:30.
9:30కా?
Okay. 9 to 6:30.